Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily enable dark mode in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get started. First is you need to open Google Chrome. You can search it in the bottom search bar or you can see it in your desktop screen. Once you open it, you'll be redirected here. Okay? After that, you can see here three dots at the upper right side of your screen. Go for it by simply clicking and scroll down to find settings. After you find settings, click it to open. Okay. So once you are being redirected to your settings, as you can see here at the left side, it has a lot of options. And in our case, since we'll be enabling the dark mode, let's go for appearance next to this experimental AI. Just simply click that to see more. And here it has this different options under appearance. You can go with theme colors, customize your toolbar and mode. Under the mode, you can see here aligning with this is the light. Just simply click that and go for dark mode. Okay? Now you have just enabled the dark mode in your Google Chrome. So this is good, especially when you are working at night because it's soothing in our eyes. But if you want to change it into the light one when you are working at day, then you can just manually change it whatever you prefer to. Okay? So that is the easy step on how to enable dark mode here in Google Chrome. Hope you learned something from this video. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.